Hey, if you're looking for a great way to keep all your computer equipment clean, especially your keyboards, this is the one you got to check out. The brain did send this to me. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I've seen plenty of these on the market, and a lot of them are really good and a lot of them are really powerful. This one is not overly powerful, but it is designed specifically for the keyboard. So real quick, let me show you everything that you get. Here's your detailing brushes. Here's your different nozzles. These are going to be great for getting into tight spaces. So this right here is an inflator nozzle for doing like blow up pool toys, etc. This is going to be great for an air mattress valve. This is your key puller. I'm going to show you that, and you've got some tweezers. So this is your key puller. Watch this. All you're going to do is slide this down on top of the key. It's going to snap on, pull it up. It's going to pop the key off your keyboard, and then you can go ahead, pop these off, and use the air duster to get all of the dust and grime and food and everything that's fallen in there over the years out. So this little tool is something that I have not seen in any of the air duster kit. You're just going to long press it to turn it on. It's got a little LED light. It's 3 speeds. There's speed 1, speed 2, and speed 3. Now, you don't have to take all the keys off, but this is a demo here, but I'm cleaning off nice and gentle. And look at all of the debris that is coming out of that keyboard. I don't know if you can see that, but it is dusty and dirty. You can also get the fan on your computer with this, and really anything else that you want to detail. You could do your car cup holders and the console. So definitely pick this up. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.